Nobody wanna plant the corn. Everybody wanna raid the barn. Today, I feed them there. Feed them there, who me call for them. If you wanna see them channel, you wanna see my pass, today at the PNP, them TikTokers there. The PNP TikTokers there were run by the ship flag of Reedy. Reedy, come out. You, every day you get up on the internet, you run up your mouth. Every day. You tell the people them say you is not a PNP. You tell the people them say you don't want GLP none at all. And that you tell the people them. But remember this. You see the people them want a PNP and the people them want a GLP, them no repost things from certain party. So if them on a PNP, them no repost PNP things. And if them on a GLP, them no repost GLP things. Remember the amount of lie where you tell upon the Prime Minister. You sit down and talk about say the Prime Minister thief oil or get oil and hide up oil and you don't tell us part the rig there. You not tell us part the rig there. Every day you get up, you go up on Google, kill up yourself and go. Who you think control Google? To only have no sense is people like me, you, and the rest of the people them where you have as followers post things on Google, so when anybody go search, after them things come up. So you have to go search who credible from who not credible for you get the information. But you sit down with your big stinking self, now do the research. Everything you research on Google. Remember, certain sensitive document you have to pay to get it. You're not going to sit down and type in Andrew on his teeth aisle. Go search, pay your money and you get it. Pay your money. People send the tops and them send the rolls and them send the that. Pay your money if you want it and go one side. The next lie we tell upon the Prime Minister say the Prime Minister collect $1.7 billion to teach homosexuality in a school when there's an active boogering law. And remember, it's not my brother. Me not a brother or a teacher, but probably you have a brother or a teacher. And you have a sister or a teacher, so you need to ask them what them are teaching at Jamaican school. Or you call your little niece. You really call your little niece. Ask her what them are teaching at school. Because remember the Bugari law still in. Remember that. Big up them TikToker. So we're going to go back over because we have to switch over the paper. You know. So big up them TikToker. Majidan, big up yourself, Majidan. Big up you. Big up Daddy Strength. Read him so come back to you. Nobody come rush this, Bridget. Where you rush this, sir? Daddy Strength, big up Daddy Strength. Daddy Strength say me never big him up. Big up Pauline Matthews. Blessed Cherry. And you know, big up Oral Wallace. Them girl baby father. Goody. Winner, big up yourself. Politics and sports. Joshua. Munchie B. Nats. Chuck Finley. Big up you. God bless Nally. Over there. Sunday, me not do no more video about orange people Sunday. So you don't have a fret Sunday. You don't have a fret Sunday. Me see you now, you're green. Me see you. Big up Infomedia. Big up Rusty General. Big up Lashik. Big up Petal. Big up Master G. Miller. Motivational Miller. I so come back round to you. Big up Alex Higgins. Big up HR Guru 876. Big up Philippians. Big up Classic Jam 876. Him have a YouTube channel. I don't know say Goody have a YouTube channel. I don't know say Dushan have a YouTube channel. Now really say the Jamaica Labour Party government is wrong to send soldiers to Haiti to assist in anything. Alright? Now read it. Now go call none of them people have asked a question. Him go just run with it. I saw him stay. Jamaica get whole heap of relief from people. Even what they in a barrel, this a country send this, them send that. So why when Jamaica forgot assist the people them, pan things that sign off, only sit down on a lick out. What you think soldier do there for? Soldier have so much trade. They have soldier we have body man, mechanic, fireman, him build this, him build that, all type of trade, electrician. Everybody, every trade they can find in the Jamaica Defense Force. And everybody go pan firing line on 80. No. But you're not full of propaganda. You read it, you. And you have some people who sit down on your panel and them think you're intelligent. Munchie, him don't intelligent, Munchie. Joshua, him not intelligent. Winner, me say each up over there all the while I give me a time. Him not intelligent. Listen how him reason. Listen how him doing research. Him do PNP page 3 research. You see the IC report we hear talk about? The IC have a website, you know. The IC have a website and when him go there, him not look. Him not even go there. Him a wait for Mark Golding to come talk and Dayton Campbell. Then him put up picture and Gleaner. Gleaner will work with Matalan. Gleaner will work with RGR. And them people there, him put up to investigate the Prime Minister. Who is you? Who is you? The people who talk about stocks, shares and bond yacht. You bring on some little idiot. Hear the idiot them name. You hear the idiot them name? Wait. You Blair. Idiot. You Richards. Drama. Howard, you see them name me I call? A big man them are 60, 70. Them are old man. Old man, you have all fish over there named DREBRIAN. You understand me? Jamview, Caution. Everybody know about Andre. Out of the press one girl run up her mouth all the while. Steve, your teeth gone. Your teeth gone, Steve. The whole of your teeth may gone one day, but Dr. Tufton I give you teeth. Stop going like you're dieted PNP. Just go for your teeth. Because you're not talking with sense at all. You see one girl named Rush. No education. Dark. You have one named Smile Again Jamaica. I saw them page make. Them are the hosts for the panel them. Them come on. Them talk be an uneducative thing. And me can compare uno. Because me just call out of the press name. Me just call Rush. It's another woman that me see I control a page. And me can put it to Goody, me can put it to Philippiana, me can put it to Lashika, Petal, Marcia, and all of that rubbish. Me not this no reason poor. Cause you want a problem in Jamaica. The government have 49 seats and una have 14. When the time when you hear some money and share, you go up on the feelings because you know a 49 MP will get money over there, so. And a 14 MP will get money over there, so. And not our fault, so the game run. Win as much seat. Remember, all of them 49 people, the PNP lives in the constituency already. You know, say I'll win loan some them. The other win from Andre. What the other one name? Smile Again, I call she already, man. She don't count, man. Paula Sadler. You have another one named Susie Wang. You have one name? Pastor Ricky, you know. Pastor, in the pay the tax and this, you know. A free church, you know. A free church. Ian and Town asleep. Ian and Town they here and them asleep. Yeah. Ian and Town division of the PSP people. Big up the council who just passed away. R.I.P. Me overheard them talk the funeral date, but me not tell you on the phone business. On the phone business. Me tell you about Orient Cole, because I don't hear me call him name though. Them call him Dr. Orient Cole. Dr. Orient Cole. When them hear say Ann Jones get a PhD or a doctorate, anything when no one tell me, say, me chat anything. Today, me no come to talk facts, me come to speak my mind. So me no come for uno tell me say me wrong what me I say. Me not talk no facts, me I speak my mind. Orient Cole, one teaching I'm him about 60-year-old. Here where me have a problem. Me now see the panel with no 25-year-old, no 30-year-old, 35-year-old. I go on like how them a go on. And you see every day you turn on read them live, because we're not done with you that you don't read. You think we're done with you? You see every day we turn on them and look at them up on the live. Them a try to tell us them are educate. And they must listen. And they must have manners. And this and that and this and that. What name? Orient Cole go get a plate from Dr. Tufton and go sit down. And number one, you know that Jamaica. You come like you not even that Jamaica neither, not even you Richards, not even Howard. All of them run in the PNP them time. I want to see how Jamaica run. You Blair, you're dunce. Your explanation them are stupidness. You Richards worse. Howard no sense at all. I remember them have the fish over there. DREBRIAN. Me used to do voice over upon him video them. Me not do that no more. The man with the channel where you see him hug up people and I kiss man and I talk about this and I reply. Me not go upon them channel, but me record them voice said where. YouTube allow you for the critics over people business. So YouTube not allow you for just take the man video and just put up it. No. But if me narrate over it, YouTube good to go. You see the whole of them when you see pack up yourself? The you Blair, him not have no panel, him jump on every panel. All what him open my new thing, me never call it 2 grand TV extra yet. Him run up in the blood clot inbox a wave. Go on over there so when I want to know open. You don't want me repeat to the name? You don't want me repeat to the name? I don't want to repeat to the name. Please do not force me to repeat to the name. None at all. Them gang up on the Prime Minister name. When them get the IC report, them now sit down in them house and ask them mother and them father and them brother and sister to help them. Read the report here so them can go put a program, because them have a program every day where them collect taps and rolls and them tell me a lie. Them not doing that. They're waiting on the PNP and the Gleaner to put out a little headline. And even when them get the headline, they're not going to take the headline to do no farmer research. Parliament closed Tuesday, so they can go up on Mark Goal in Parliament live. It'll keep Tuesday. Because Mark Goal is going to break down what the IC say. Mark Goal is not break down what the prosecution say. No. That means that the prosecution wrong. So what not going to do? Me not understand. What not going to do? The prosecution say no criminal charge. We are come on platform and come explain to we in a press conference for. We don't care about that. We care about the end story. The end story. That's why I know so Karen Cross are my friend. Karen Cross will leave out of the PNP. You can't talk about, oh, Karen Cross, she leave out of the PNP. I'm not sure she bitter. Make sure go answer. They don't know better than she. Oh, no, better than she with it over there. Out of the press, lie. Be a lie, them tell. Pure lie. And when you send them and say, listen to me. This way you just say, the cow jump over the moon. Explain to me what you mean the cow jump over the moon. Them say, go suck your mama. Them say, Andrew, forgot. They not answer the question. And them come up with the topic, you know. And them come up with the topic. Them no answer your question. You have another one, them used to name Aces TV. Run up and down in a dance hall and video and put up him clippings them and whatever. So we have him as a little man. We go to work, come from work 9 to 5, and then run up and down in a dance hall. That's how we see him. All of a sudden, him name the most honorable Aces and him take off the TV. Most honorable Aces. What? Me can't read Aces. So tell me what is AIFA. Me can't read. Me not even want to call your name, but I call your name. Theme work is to walk and trouble police. To tell the police how the law is situated. Me now support the police when they behave unlawfully. But me now have no reason for stop and I see police and I challenge them. Them man they will just drive past police and police not busy them money. And them man they reverse and try to do something. And police and them in an argument. And be argument till them go for him constitution paper. Put up on him page. One bag of talking. See police hold him up and mash him up there. And handcuff him. Him put out video. Go to police hospital. Go get x-ray. With him head so. What damage. We not believe you. It's a fool you look out for the government. You see Uno. You see Uno will sit down and tell be a lie. Hear them name again. Isaac Buchanan. Him over the fish world too. Rush. Most honest, most honorable TV. Steve the Rasta man. Out of the press. You don't know Andrea already will tell the people them pay a lie. Andrea never bag a Christian over there. You see them Christian there? Them now no man. Them now no relationship. Them now no family. And Andrea them looked at to comfort and pack up over there and listen to lie. And then go to church come make up a bag of nice on Sunday. God go we don't know. Fire. So you have Caution and you have Jambu and the fish and Reedy. Them have platform. But guess what? Jambu platform flap. Caution platform flap. Because every day them come with the same narrative. So when them do now, they make the fish platform gone past them because people realize say the one of them speak the same thing. So when a man come over and say who have the bigger crowd, whether 200 people, 300 people, hear me I say 200 people, 300 people, and them people matter about them go over there. So Jamview flap, Caution flap. The biggest one on the platform with illiterate, Smile Again Jamaica. Illiterate, a true good device. Fine. Goody, you need to take my number. Goody, take my number, Goody. Because I want to promote a YouTube channel. I want to show the tricks and trade how to go into the algorithm. Politics and sports, big up you. I see you come on one page where I have named WCB. I say if you take down a video, but after 5 months before the video, that means I do it long time. Because I watch a TikTok, then I realize so all over TikTok and the YouTube channel know what I go on. So I start record them, put them over YouTube, long time now. But you don't realize when you do comment over video, YouTube now take them down. If you take them down and you appeal back, your video gone up back. Once you appeal, your video gone up back. So you know, say Dujan World have him YouTube channel. Classic Jam 876 have him YouTube channel. Goody have a YouTube channel. Philippian, you must open my YouTube channel too. You see me? You can link me. 367-8741. Link me. Me will tell you the trick how to gain success on that. You understand me I say? So when Goody go on the live, and Dushan Roll do him live. And Classic Jam. I not really record them live because them a build them things. So them a build them things. Let's work with them. So big them up. Big up Majidan. Big up Daddy Strength. Big up Pauline Matthews. She have another thing named Blessed Richings. Big up all the labor right them. The PNP them. Remember this. Me never talk to Uno about facts. Learn what me I say. Me I talk me mind. So me not care about where you come talk. You don't notice what Uno? Me not argue with Uno. We not want to know over here. We don't want to know over here. Move. You don't notice as you don't talk me move, Uno. Me not no debating panel over here. So move. If I'm not Chopper, Joshua, and some educated people for all conversation and go into history, Uno can't talk to me. Cause me not all like that. I'm me all. But me not follow phone lie and foolishness and turn idiot. No time at all. So goody, remember if you link me will tell you how to make the channel plug in. Big up Munchie. Remember Munchie go hard pound, you know. Munchie go hard pound. All one night I did that tape and I see Munchie pop up. I swear say Munchie come live. I think she don't want to win. Big up Munchie. Big up Sandy. Sandy says she can't bother the video them when me put up. With the people them in the orange. She can't take for watch it. Sandy me now put up no more. Big up Anan Town. Them inside here in a Kingston, Jamaica. Remember the election will come up. One way to vote. In memory of the councillor that passed away. We're now gonna further. Big up Nuts. Nuts, big up you. Big up Winner. May I big up all the GLP. I do not want any PNP supporters over here. The problem I have with Chopper and Winner and Goody and Chuck and all of the TikTokers of the Labour Party who not entertain people who make up their mind for vote already. We only decide to tell pure lie. We are waste with time. Speak with yourself alone. If somebody come on undecided, I don't want to convert them. That's up to you guys. What is sense when I have Orient Cole every day I talk about? Won't I have a talk to read about every day? Won't you Blair talk about and you Richards talk about every day? For what reason? Tell me now. Won't I talk to them man about them man that dieted PNP non-progress party. The people no progress party. So what you really do? You see Labour to go conference or collect offering? You think me going to play about the video? The video is on my YouTube channel. WB.4DS Marketing. When you got big conference and talk about Angie Owens and pressure the people them and cost of living high and the people them can't afford this, can't afford that. And have the PNP line up with one bag of saving pan. I collect money from people and you don't want to talk about that. Yeah, people. I see the reason why we waste the time. Have them people upon the platform and entertain them every day. They will never come and say Angie Owens a build a house, a 3-bedroom or whatever. A good thing you do. You know our Prime Minister, we are PNP, but we like that. Because it's stupid. It's another Jamaican a benefit, you know. It's another Jamaican a benefit. Missy PNP get house and the housing social thing. Missy them get PNP house. What I deal with? It's a civil unrest no one coming to the country with. What really I deal with? Chopper, big up. I remember big up Chopper name. Chopper name not there on my paper. But somebody comment and say left for Chopper on one video. Chopper, big up. Joshua, Chopper have deep knowledge of politics. You understand me? Some other people have deep knowledge too, but me just stick to round there, so and me go do my own research. Me don't make them tell me nothing and me run with it. So after me do my research now, me realize that we are doing a wrong thing. We are entertaining you Richards, you Blair, Howard, really, because him listen to it, to make him go and sneak in. Him listen to it, to the fish listen to it, Jam View, Caution, Andre listen to it, to Out of the Press, Steve, that's a fake one of the police beat, Rush, Isaac Buchanan, Wayne Lonesome, Wayne from Andrea, Carlos, Smile Jamaica, Smile Again Jamaica, Paul Sadler, Susie Wang, Pastor Ricky. One can come at me. Me not have no dirt and me not run for no prime ministership. Obey, move and come off. Every day you see them gonna run up and down and jump up and down on a platform and jump up with an uneducated self and attack bare stupidness. You will never take the report. Cause right now you have to leave Andrew Jones alone, you know. Here you have to leave Andrew Jones alone. You have a report in 171 page or 175. Any issue having I take it up with the Integrity Commission. Take it up with them people. The way you call Andrew Jones name for. When you go as low as an talk about, ooh, no bomb check, no daddy money, yard. You see, when you stupid, Andrew Jones is a human being like everybody, but him have wholly more, I mean, the highest officer of Jamaica, wholly more privileged than the amount of owner. I see how Kamala Harris have anything online. When you call it call to action, you click it, yeah, they can deposit 100, 200, 1,000, 3,000, 400. JLP, why you not do that? A call to action, man. We need a call to action, man. A call to action. As they click the link, we get money. We get money, we get money, we get money, we get money. Because that's the problem, you know. 49 MP on the Jamaica Labour Party. 14 on the People's National Party. Them concern every time something for go on to the country, to the community. Them account say 49 people get money over here, so, and them account say 14 people get money. That's the problem, you know. That's the problem. That is them problem. Alright, you know Blair. No, not Blair, really. You think we done? We never done with you. Cause me still like a record all on. You know the reason why I'm recording, you know? It is to prove to Jamaican, the Caribbean, and the rest of the world that you are a set of illiterate people. And one thing me do, me glad so I lie, I wanna continue to lie. But the best part of it is that the people and the entire nation I find out say una liar. Now you talk about oil, you talk about homosexual, you talk about the IC report. Read it. Who is you? Can you call one man for your panel where you want to look youth? For your hearing voice or youth voice? And then I break down the Integrity Commission report where you have up on your page a show a preview for the day. Who him? Cause me record, me screen record your program. Who him? Cause me don't really want to know him name, but who him? He made a break down the IC report and Andrew Owen's loan, Andrew Owen's stocks and shares. He said someone on a dunce, on a illiterate and dark. If someone looking at Andrew Owen's report and decides to make a look at Andrew Owen's teeth and how him thief. Or make a look how him say making money or fairly or illegally or legally we want to deal with, you know. But we want to see, we just want to play around. We want to see how them say Andrew Owen's make money. Or look into that part, you know. I'm going to try it, no. Try to buy some stocks, bonds. Try to buy some real estate, no. Because when reading them attack, you know, people them say stocks and bonds. Reading them forget about real estate. Reading them tell you say you can't borrow money with $0 in other account there. That's what reading them tell you, you know. Read you compare him statutory to the Prime Minister of Jamaica, you know. Me and you can't walk go in one bank and do as we like and do as we like and do as we like, you know. But the Prime Minister can. To own the dark, I repeat and tell you now already. Me is a little small YouTuber, I have to tell you now how much me can get a month time. Plus me have business. Because I depend on video. And the money we want to talk about and a question about Andrew Owen is 5,000 US. 5,000 that even not question it. We don't have not for sure, no irregularity. Really come with a little youth now want to break it down. Listen what me I say now. I don't want to check some of this there so I chat foolishness, you know. If me I chat foolishness more, you tell me say me I chat foolishness because me no I mean I care about with the PNP them say because them not supposed to comment. Remember my mind me attack. Remember say no facts me attack. Here? I'm a mind. Calder come talk. You have JMA Jump and you have JFJ and you have NIA. So you have Calder come talk. You have Archer come talk. Cliff Hughes talk. When I say Cliff Hughes an incubator. But when Cliff Hughes talk and sink the Prime Minister say anything in Prime Minister favor, on love Cliff Hughes. When Cliff Hughes say the other way around, on hate Cliff Hughes. Diane Jackson Miller on say she a PNP. She break it down too. Emily Shields break it down too. Clive Mullins break it down. George Davis break it down. We know say it is alleged, say you cross killer, you're a PNP, Tyrone read from Nationwide is alleged also is a PNP. Sai, we know whether tell the people them both KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken is a PNP also. It's alleged. It's alleged. It's alleged. It's alleged. Because we not tell no lie upon people like how the PNP them love tell lie upon people. You want me to repeat the name I just called a while ago? Although make it my subject. I want to go back to what me that say. Really bring on somebody upon him platform to explain the financial part of the IC findings of the Prime Minister. You understand me? George Davis spoke on it. Emily Shields spoke on it. Dion Jackson Miller spoke on it. Cliff Hughes spoke on it. Archer spoke on it. Calder spoke on it. I not hear you. I not hear Tyrone spoke on it. Because Tyrone said the Prime Minister must resign. Must resign. If he knew the day when the reporter asked him the question, but not after. Tyrone never talk about after. Prime Minister, when say you are one of the man when study for illicit. Prime Minister, you are one of the man when check for illicit enrichment. Prime Minister, you are one of the man when check for illicit enrichment. Prime Minister answer. The Prime Minister answer. The Prime Minister answer. Who is you now? If you take up this little boy from way, come break down with all of them people you say. Really? We never call the IC. Because when say the IC not gag anymore. When say as long as Parliament table, the IC free for talk. You say so your friend never call you. So why you not call the IC and tell himself to come for your platform? Pay them a money, man. You get tops and rolls, man. For them come investigate it, man. The man where you employ and put on a platform, him is a chartered accountant. A common sense him a do. Pan 3,600 pages transaction. Him a use common sense. And that him really a do. And you sit down over there and skin up your teeth. And you cost the Prime Minister for send aid to another Caribbean. And when Jamaica have a problem, the people them send aid to Jamaica. You understand me? And that you do. Canadian girl go one side. All People's National Party people move and go one side. This one for Uno. We are reason. So really, stop walking to the people them about your balanced. You come like the JFJ and the NIA. And that you do on the trick on your own is. On the retire from on the position expire and time done. And you and Jones that they did clean government and good governance. And Jones make us stay at the work. Look over there. Calder, share who? You know ask them. Archer, them are who? And Jones make them still at the work, you know, and them said when I bring down the man. And him supposed to get bring down if him wrong. But the man not wrong. So why you bring him down for? But really, sit down and talk about him neutral. Then him repost what the PNP them do. I never see him repost it. I'm going to tell you the truth. I never see him repost a JP post it. If me a tell lie, tell me just say me never see. Me never see. But oh, if you neutral, why you repost a PNP post and yet me never hear Mark Golding with a proper speech to the nation? We say yes, Andrew Willis have the bread at 600. Because Andrew is the one national bakery, you know. And Andrew had the bully beef at Grace Kennedy. Because Andrew was great Grace Kennedy night, you know. And we're going to get it down today. We not hear no message. No message we not hear none at all. So what you do? You not call the IC, you not call the FID, you not call the FSC, you not call nobody. You just come on platform and I talk about, oh, see it here, $5,200 US and this and that and zero money in here, sir. And SSL is Usain Bolt money cost 143,000. Come over here, sir. You're illiterate. And even when the chartered accountant them come and attack, only refuse to take these people conversation and go look at it for your own self and form your own definition. You refuse to do it. You're waiting on the Gleaner to put out a headline that is operated and owned by Matalan. Them will promote Mark Golding and biased with reporting. But I'm sorry, how Jamaica running come to media reporting. I'm sorry. Because everything when I go up on a platform and say, both for the GLP and the PNP, we're supposed to have somebody a fast check on as on don't talk. Because only that gone already. The GLP not perfect. I don't know where they're going, but me know certain say only would have gone already. Say I'll date and can be than all of them people there. You think I teach you not teaching no politics? A scam will not get scam in terms of educational wise. Because when them know the truth and come write different thing and you run with it. Someone you know read. Someone see a man put up a picture with a bag of money. And the run with it and say Angie own his tea. But you can't read it through the money. And Angie own it say Angie own his tea because you can't read what I say below. You can't read. So no run with the picture. No phone no talk, a video no love watch. And press the button. Enter you see you have a woman, have a best friend, have a virgin. And you every minute you type to them and say, Wagwan my virgin, everything good. For 1 year, I pay vice what him reply with. She too is a dunce. If you have a woman, have a best friend woman, or any thing, and every time you type to them and say, what is going on in Jamaica? Are you okay? And every time they reply, because you have some people love voice note, you know. So I'm not going to say everybody will do it, or so. But you see that, anytime you see them reply with every minute, be a voice note, voice note, voice note, voice note, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 2 seconds, wait, blah, 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 blah. Illiterate. Really, come out of your closet, because the people don't care about you. No Jamaica Labour Party is supposed to be caring about who you want to vote for. We have enough people that are already. We don't block up arena, we don't block up everywhere. And Andrew is come out as victor. And I'm going to say, oh, I'm a Labour, right? Yeah, I'm going to vote for the Jamaica Labour Party. You understand me? And when Andrew is not behave good, I take on myself. Because that's how it have to go. A people only to divide. Every day you slow and come with a report when it's good. Dirty you, Blair. Dirty you, Richard. Dirty Howard. Dirty Reedy. The Fish Dirty. Jamview. Caution. All the dirty Andre. I'm telling you who over Andre page. One bag of Christian. When I have no man, no relationship, them not treat them family good, them not have no little cousin around them not have no little niece around them staying by themselves. Them miserable. So when them go over Andre Stephen page and the lie lick them comfortable and them stay over there and them group up 6,000 views, 9,000. You think me care? Me have a channel and me alright. I remember that channel when me depend on the. Let me tell you what name. WB.4DS. Me no want to tell you what that mean. Marketing. WB.4DS. Marketing. You understand me? That is the channel. And remember, it's not even monetized. That be sure it's the message we are trying to bring across. We don't care about no handout like upper stadium, upper arena. We don't kill yourself 49, 14 night and mad you know. When you hear something for go on, I look at $5 million for give it to the committee. When I look, 49 MP I collect over there, sir. And only 14 over here, sir. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. I hit a bun, you know. Oh, you expect? You send Bolt win him 100-meter race. You want him share the medal? The reason why sharing go on this is because of the people them. So me expect anybody who get the money supposed to share it evenly amongst PNP and GLP. That me say. That me say. So what do I want to know? 49 MP win. Over here, sir. 14 win over there, sir. Who want to forget the 49 treatment? What do I want? That's why I want the power. By the power of grace, God. God, go, you know. Have a nice day. Really? We know you are PNP. Really? We don't care. That's not our business. We no business. Spicer, we no business. Not nobody business. We don't care. But you look stupid. The document them you do at the time and I write, and the information them you have for your life show say you're a supporter of the People's National Party. Who cares? No one cares. We ban come to this and the whole we leave this. And all of the Prime Minister them we are praise and I bring down, them are gonna leave this to the Jamaican people them. Now or later. Who no want burn down Jamaica and come build it back and the money and the sense to build it back. And the money of the kid to run down 49 minus 14.